Alright, so we're back on this world.
Lavish the good audio while you can.
We're back on
Lavish.
this goofy world.
With
So,
me.
Yeah, Sans will be here this time.
With an
Sans is here.
entirely horrible guest that
Instead of
we
playing
didn't
Combat
ask
Warrior,
for.
Dun, 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 dun,
notice.
dun. Sans.
Oh yeah, Luke, explain to them what Minecraft Legacy Edition is again, because I'm too lazy.
Someone
Alright, well-
someone jacked my crafting table.
If you
If
guys
you say
weren't,
things
if
like
you,
that, you will get banned.
for some reason, if you
I'll
didn't watch
kick you.
the first video, Minecraft Legacy is like, Minecraft, but old. It's like version 1.12, so it's just better. I don't know. You guys,
I was
if
scared
anyone's watching the stream,
actually
they
gonna
have to know.
crit me
this.
out since I hit him while breaking my crafting table.
If any type of nerd is watching the stream, they already know what Minecraft Xbox One Edition is. So,
Oh my god.
Probably
Your,
not.
your stream footage is glitching out.
what?
Why?
Ooh, that's not good.
Your footage is bugging out, dude.
Why?
Like it's like either it's my Android phone or your
It's
screen
your
is
Probably your
No, yeah.
Android phone.
It's your phone.
glitching.
It's your
Oh, wait,
Android.
no.
quiz.
Okay. I think
Your
this
stream
time I might
be
be.
glitching.
I'll go
No,
check
it's
up on the
it's
stream.
still just a stream. It's just a laggy stream. It's how Twitch works. The streams are laggy
Okay,
every
let me
once in
see.
a while.
No,
So-
like it's
Oh yeah, brewer.
Oh my god, I just fell into hell.
Oh wait,
so it wasn't just my Android phone.
no, his stream looks like an Android quality. I
Yeah.
don't know what's
Stream.
happening. I do
It
Wow.
somehow
want to.
shows what happened like 3 seconds ago and what happens in the moment.
What?
Let me go check.
I actually
I
need
need some help in
upload
this
it.
cave.
I made my
I haven't even broken
post
a
of a
block of
meal.
wood in this server
Ew.
on both accounts.
Ew.
Are you
That's
restarting the
silly.
stream?
Yes, I am.
All right. Okay. I want to try
I'm
to like
not.
cut your clips in with mine, so it'd be like kind of weird and funny. You could see like your POV. This time, since you clicked
Oh,
VOD,
girl.
right? It should work now.
Luke, now you can throw in mine for an extra perspective.
Are you streaming?
Yes. 4 minutes in, 1 viewer.
Okay.
Unless it's quit. I think my
Sans, what's
tiny
your name?
viewers
I
watching
don't.
me.
Your
PGIC
name is-
underscore underscore.
Yeah, we're
It's
here with a
literally
couple
my
people.
signature on Minecraft.
I'm gonna try to like build today. I don't know. I just like think that this cave would look nice. You want to find some dark oak wood,
I want to
'cause, you know, dark oak
spend
wood.
this entire time making sure my house looks beautiful. Because all of my previous houses looked ugly. Even in the world where I said my house is gonna look beautiful, it still looks ugly.
It's common.
The guy that can't build.
Oh, we don't have spruce or dark oak in the area.
There is. It's
Issue?
just kind of far.
I hate that your Twitch name is PGIC underscore underscore.
It's easy. It's has a nice ring to it.
No.
What?
Just no.
This iron.
I mean,
The
Kinda
broadcaster
does.
indicated that this channel is intended for mature audiences.
why?
That's what it says on when I open up
Rubber
Sans'
just
stream
died.
on my phone.
I put that on for like when I'm streaming violent games.
Like
Oh,
Minecraft.
Hold on. Hi. What are we doing? Oh, wait, your stream? Okay.
Ugh.
We're just trying to fix something. Alright,
Hurrah.
so now we can finally start. I'm on mine right now.
Do any of you guys have food? I need
No.
3 bars.
Starved Insanity Sands. Minecraft roleplay.
Luke, can you? Is there like a public bed to my spot?
Stop.
Alright, so this is
I'm just
everyone.
looking, bro. Calm down.
Yeah, this is everyone. You won't expose your Twitch to us, so it's gonna be Quits Burrito.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna go FOD hunting.
I actually should set it up. I should try something.
you're going to stream too? Yeah, this would be a great video.
Eventually.
We can add all of our
Try.
clips. Like, only the funniest clips for the VOD channel. You're with... If you guys didn't hear last time, or my mic was literally dying and screaming in pain, we're obviously here with Big C Owner,
No.
me, Quits Burrito, and PGIC. Minecraft Xbox One Edition on Twitch.
I was watching this very underrated
I think live
streamer
streaming was not
stream.
easy.
Oh yeah,
I
it
was
is really easy.
watching this guy's stream. I was counting in his
Yeah,
chat.
see.
He's like, Pegik? He called
Okay.
me Pegik.
Wait, did it say Quits Burrito started streaming?
It didn't. It says that I'm the only one screaming in the party right now.
Ew.
This party is being streamed. That's it.
Oh, party audio on.
Ah, yeah, include my audio.
Oh yeah, I have to do audio too. Sorry.
Imagine someone going back and forth to watch all 3 of our streams.
I'm gonna check out my stream.
So, yeah, we should all be doing this now.
I need
Is
food.
it day yet?
Please,
yeah,
someone
we're
save
all
me.
dying of food hunger. I have to wait. Oh,
That's
my
what I'm going
chicken! My
hunting.
chicken!
Sorry, I'm square up.
No one is gonna square up with you, Sans. Sorry. Because you
You
will
could
get
run right now.
absolutely
God.
Well, I
destroyed
could, but I can't
by
say
anyone
it.
who
I'm gonna
Brr, I
expose
wasn't
my
even
Twitch
talking
channel.
to you. Mind your own business.
Okay,
I don't
cool.
have that.
Expose my Twitch name on a sign near where all of our names are. I didn't feel like undoing all of our work, so I just put it on the sign that said
The
herewith.
creeper just fell into my hole.
Don't say that.
There's creepers trying
Let's
to
see, let's see.
blow me.
Nom 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 nom.
I don't think I got the right
There's
name.
3 creepers!
Grumpy face, grumpy face.
I'm still quits underscore live.
I think Quit's kind of copied my Twitch name. The
Include my
underscore.
audio, include my audio. Everyone in this group has an
Oh my
underscore
God.
in their name. Like, me and Quits are the only one that
too.
don't have 2. We have 1, and you guys have 2.
What? Her has a Biggie C owner underscore.
Stop saying Biggie. It's big. I don't understand where you're getting
Biggie
Biggie
Cheese
from.
sounds better though.
No,
Big
that's
C-
weird.
Stop.
That's not his name. You're disrespectful and I'm going to kick you. You're disrespectful,
What?
you rat.
Dude, it's like getting mad at someone for saying pronouns.
That's a
Okay,
whole
that's
different
even
thing.
worse.
That's gonna get you
That is so
canceled.
much worse.
Sans
Oh my
got
God, you're
literally
getting
clipped by
canceled.
4
He
people.
on Twitter.
He thinks pronouns are just a waste of time. He hates pronouns.
I don't
He
think
hates,
that.
he hates
It's
anyone
like
who
when you
isn't-
accidentally call someone
He
a
hates
name.
the idea of someone saying that they're a she.
if
When
they
you
were-
accidentally call
if they
someone a
were a
man
There you go.
and they get so ticked off.
Alright, so I finally finished the sign. I need it to be morning really bad. Oh, it is morning. I
It
need to
is
find
morning.
animals, and I need to find a dark oak forest, because I really
I
want
have
dark oak.
like 8, 9, 10,
So I'm gonna
11
go search
Start
out
with
food.
IRL.
I have 11 food in total. That should be enough to feed all of us.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Great.
You had
Oh my
11
God,
food
I
and you
am
were begging
off the
for us to
map.
give you some. That's good.
That spider's hacking.
Trying to get home so I can cook this food. Now I need to make a new map since I actually made one off the map.
This right here is actually my first time live.
hopefully this is
Yes, I
going
don't
to.
even watch Twitch.
This stream's gonna be better than
Who
last
actually
time.
just watches Twitch
Yes,
on
we're
the
gonna hope.
Xbox?
We want to
Or
gather
you
Last
the
time was a bit
friends.
awkward.
Oh,
Yeah.
by the way, try to refrain from saying horrible things because I don't have enough motivation to edit a video.
Yeah,
That's
you
why I'm
just send it
posting
to
them.
me.
I mean,
I don't think
me
I'd be
and
able
Brewer
to do
can
that.
post
I would
our
mess that up.
videos. I'll take all of your clips and, you know,
I'll find a
mash them
dungeon.
into a video.
I swear that creeper dropped every block from that explosion.
Brewer, what editing software do you use? It's probably better than Microsoft. Like, what do you even call it? Forgot the name.
Gratussy on iPhone.
iMovie.
I'm using like Movie Maker,
iMovie.
Microsoft Movie Maker. You have a MacBook?
I have an iPhone. I almost
No, I don't. I was just saying.
jumped
Who
down
uses iMovie?
and nearly fell down
I
an
use,
entire mountain when quit
I
screaming.
use
Chips.
Movie Maker.
My parents work and like they make ads. They have like the best editing thing, and I can
Yeah,
just
I have
download it.
Adobe
It's
Animate,
like
but
a
it's not good for
1,000.
editing.
It's a we have like the $1,000 version of it. It's sad.
I
Parents
wish.
make ads, girl.
That sheep did not drop any wool.
Alright, I'm gonna go explore around for Dark Oak Forest. Spruce could work. It's pretty dark.
Oh my god. I know that. Okay. Again.
I could make thumbnails for all of us. Well, me and Brewer.
I don't
since
need
we're-
a
Kind of
thumbnail.
quit making
So-
thumbnails for me, so I don't know how that would work.
So which of us? I know I'm gonna post this on YouTube, but who else is this? Just Brewer and me.
Probably yeah.
I don't have
I
YouTube.
will.
Alright.
I need the post.
In
videos
a,
on
like
YouTube,
an hour
so
or two, I'll
We can't
both
have,
my
like,
laptops.
All
and
three of
we'll
us are
start
gonna
working
like have the same video up. It's gonna be
So we'll
pretty
get a wider audience.
I guess.
on it. Please get out of here. Did you take some of
Oh my
iron?
god. I'm
I
going
didn't.
to die if I fall half a block.
Right. Let me get this
Half a
last
log.
piece of mutton.
Apple log.
Bone apple teeth.
Stop.
Definitely might need to trim some things out. Last time we didn't even make it to like the hour mark. We could do like hour and a half. Like when I was rendering the video onto
I
YouTube, it took 2 hours.
With the two videos that my two consecutive, not consecutive. The first
Not
time we
consecutive.
tried, I had a whole hour of content lingering there.
After you post it, can't you just delete the video off your thing?
Off Twitch?
No,
Off
just
your-
off your laptop. Just delete it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but I mean my
So it
computer's
doesn't
pretty
keep
good. I
it
wouldn't need to, but I could.
I know, but I'm going
If I wanted to
because I
save
want to
the
have as
file,
much space as
I-
possible.
Yes, in here. I need to.
They're
keep
only, like,
around-
Last video was like
Luke, I'm gonna
2
need
megabytes.
Luke. If you have.
Oh wow, that's like nothing.
yeah,
Luke,
it's
I have
pretty
a
small.
question. Do you have any Discord Nitro?
Especially since you can like
Okay,
256
who paid
gigabytes
for
on
Discord?
YouTube. You know, you can put like
Yeah.
256 gigabytes onto a YouTube video.
Luke, if you had Nitro, you could send me the videos over Discord and I could download them.
I
That's
don't
gross.
have Nitro. I'm not.
Who would get Nitro?
How would I
I can barely
get?
like suck. I'm pretty sure we could use like Google Hangouts.
Gmail.
Ew. That might work.
Gmail might not
Might
work.
work.
Though.
I can.
Gmail has
is
a
the
limit.
only
Give me
way.
my mom's.
Gmail has
my
a limit
mom's
of file
Gmail
size.
and intercept it.
Oh, it does.
Give me my mom's
Yeah, it's like
email,
pretty
email.
small.
I'll
I'll
ask
give
my
you my
dad on
mom's
how he does
Gmail
that because he
and
has like
intercept it.
insanely large clips, like 20 hours of clip.
Alright,
I have to ask him
I got
how
like
he.
2 stacks of spruce. It's
Does it?
definitely good. I want to like make this our home look a bit nicer. Or
Bro, do your parents
that later,
make
but I also
ads
need
for
to go mine.
Tide?
I like that our home is
That's
like a
cool.
116 cave.
Tide.
I would like to make my room look nicer too.
I don't know what you're saying. Sorry, I literally can't.
Do your
understand what you're saying.
parents make it advertisements for the bleach pods of Tide?
No,
My dad works on
That's a new
schools.
one.
they'll do like they have like done large insurance companies. They make websites
Damn.
ads and like they.
Your
record
mom is the
footage.
progressive
My mom
lady.
made a website before. She made multiple.
My dad actually owns
I was
Minecraft.
just about to. We're gonna
But my
replay
dad's
that sugar
teaching me
cane.
how to make websites from scratch, like the coding. That's
I
why
use,
I like
like-
to do coding.
I can code, just really badly. Well, you know this.
I
one.
don't
work
know
with
how to
Roblox.
code JavaScript or Python or any of that.
Oh, I
Java
took
Edition
classes on JavaScript.
Just.
I literally took classes on JavaScript. Sorry,
Java's probably the easiest, I think.
it's one of the easier ones.
A lot coding's probably the easiest, since you don't have to break your fingers in half typing out long strips of code.
Yeah,
No.
my dad's basically missing all of his fingers, guys, because he tried to type out long strips of code. His fingers are off his hands. He has no fingers.
Oh, lucky.
You have no fingers.
Yeah,
You fill with your feet.
I am. And I'm still good at PvP.
He's feet playing.
Yep, I'm
He
currently playing
plays
on my
with his
feet.
toes.
IRF using my toenails.
Ew! Trust me, in real life he actually has no toes or hands.
He uses
He walks on
his
stubs.
nose to
He
play.
like puts stubs in the thing.
Don't.
He uses his
Why is there a
knees to
viewer?
play.
Who is
And he's still the best at
Probably
cutting
one of
rope.
us.
I'm going to make my room
That's his
larger.
classic cut the rope. He plays with his nose.
Put some
Cut the
stuff
rope, a
away.
little game
Whose
for
stream do we want
iPhone.
to advertise the most? Because we have to all like get on our phones and join his stream.
Quits? Join-
Not me.
No, not him.
Who? What stream are we doing? What stream are we?
Whose stream should be advertised?
Me.
Should advertise either Luke
I
or
have,
Bear
like,
because they're the ones who are.
Someone's watching me right now,
Probably
so I think
most
I have enough
consistent.
advertisement.
I'm the one that
Go
wants
for
to do
it.
this.
We're not the only
Luke's the
one.
one who
I've been
wants to
doing this for so
advertise.
long.
I
I
know,
just, like,
me and
stream
Brew are the
webcam.
ones that really want to do this. Not just.
Luke, I've been streaming for over a year. and
We're
I
talking
only
about these
average,
Minecraft
like,
live streams that we're doing right now.
I've been streaming since I was like 9, with
I
like
haven't
good
streamed until
consistency.
today.
Oh, same.
Wow.
I've been streaming since I was like.
Today is literally my
Actually,
first
I've been
ever live stream,
streaming
no joke.
for so long, but then Mixer got
What
shut
is
down.
Oh,
this?
stop.
I
Ew,
need
you
to
used Mixer.
I used
Oh my
to use
God.
Mixer until it got shut down. Then I stopped streaming, then I
Mixer.
discovered that Twitch existed. Did not know Twitch existed for the longest time.
That's a lie.
Weird.
I literally started streaming on Twitch
to
the first
expand
day I
the
started
case, like-
streaming in like 2018.
Quit. Do you think I'm gonna
So the, like,
born? I'm gonna
of
get
elementary
born
schoolers,
knowing what
like,
Twitch is?
I did not forget to play Minecraft. Exactly what happened.
To be honest, back then I wasn't a big Minecraft player. Sorry.
Fair.
I played Minecraft all my life.
I used to play Minecraft.
I've been playing
all the
Minecraft since I
time.
was 2, but I didn't.
Literally,
I stopped
no
playing
joke, I'm
frequently.
using an X-ray client. I mined 2 blocks and I found coal.
I was literally like playing
Wow,
Minecraft in the
cold.
womb.
Oh,
Not
it's like the best
coal.
item.
I
Luke.
wanted to
We're
find
rich.
coal too. I was trying to make a bedroom.
Can one of you guys pick me up?
Wow,
I'm lost.
cool.
Guys, I found coal.
Whoa,
Wow, cool.
dude, we're rich. We're rich because
Wow.
of Brewer. He found coal.
Wow, cool.
I'm still
Luke.
Quicks. Yeah, no one else wanted your username.
Luke,
August.
could you
Sorry.
please retrieve me?
Yeah.
Luke, can you retrieve me?
If I set my Twitch name
I don't know
to
where you are.
350, that's ugly.
You
Just
came
do,
out.
like, it's quits. I still think that's a good
My other name had no underscore. But sadly,
Is
it
anyone
was
watching my
Quits
stream?
B350.
Quit, please, please
Okay, well, since no
retrieve
one's
me.
watching my stream. Whoa, follow us here. Give us your money now.
Huh?
Thank you.
What?
Give us your money. Follow,
Follow
us here
us.
on Twitch. Give us
Yeah.
your money.
Twitch.tv.
These are our
I will
Twitch
be making an
names.
Instagram,
guys,
YouTube,
when we're-
and everything.
Brewer, you know
Follow
you
us
can use
everywhere.
your
When we're
other
done
trigger
recording,
and
we all
not
need
I'm
use
to
going to
follow
buy
each other.
bots to make my stream get. I mean, I didn't say anything.
We're here with
Luke, retrieve
Dixie.
me.
no.
No one is going to retrieve you. No one wants to retrieve you.
Why are
They'd
you so
rather
far
watch
away?
you
Put your
die.
map out.
What is this Minecraft world?
It's a pretty good one. I
When
like
you
it.
guys pick me up, I'm actually lost
Minecraft.
and I have so much stuff.
Sandstorm, you have a map.
I'm going to kill it and run out.
Yeah,
so you
but I
take your stuff and
accidentally
run into
made
another
it
foreign
Off
country.
of the main map. I actually made it off of spawn map.
You're not off the main map right now. You are literally on it.
Guys, we should make an
I
actual
made
house
it
now.
off of the
Let's
main
But I
map.
like this
That's not a
cave
real
place.
No.
I do too. I like this cave. It feels very, very old. It feels
Okay,
like
well,
it's
if you want to have a good
love
room, it's
it.
gonna get really hard to have a good room.
Well,
I
just
don't
like
need a
build
good
our-
room.
That's why
It's
we're building our
literally
own
a 2 by
caves.
3
We really like
My
our-
room is 2
Can
by
we
3
at least,
I don't need a good
like,
one.
we want to get the fans to love our first house in Minecraft. They need to love
Gross.
it.
And then they're gonna be depressed when we move out. And they're like, they don't move
I'm
out.
exposing you guys. I'm gonna put that in the video.
What?
You guys.
You should.
No, creeper. No.
You guys are getting
no,
exposed.
No, naughty creeper. Bad creeper. Bad
Hey,
creeper.
naughty-
We
Stop
don't
saying
have
that.
fans.
Creeper is naughty.
If we had an actual fan that existed, they might not sound like that.
I have an actual fan that exists, but not a
No.
mischief fan, I don't imagine.
Guys,
He
if
doesn't.
you guys shut up and stop acting like kindergartners, then
stop.
we could
I-
actually
I
get someone
am a
who is over the age of 2.
Does that include me?
Kindergartner, like. And
Kindergartner.
I'm not
I
acting like a
am
complete
a
kindergarten.
kindergartner.
Oh, sorry. Then I guess you can't be in the stream.
It's blocked by
Except
Brewer.
kindergartners in here.
Hear the sounds.
Ugh.
That's why Brewer
You know what's kind of creepy?
What?
August is the only one here with a mic that makes his voice not sound higher than it actually is.
Yes.
I guess this is my normal voice. I don't know.
Brewer, so you're saying right now that your
I am
voice
not
is deeper than
squeaker.
a Marianne Trench.
Brewer is 87 years old. That's why he uses a
Sorry.
mic that makes his voice sound higher.
I am. I do sound
Can
like
you
a
play a
squeaker on
harder cold? I'm
Xbox.
trying to get home. You need to play harder cold.
Brad, he's on
Ew,
Xbox.
no.
Are you able to change your Twitch
Hot
name?
or cold with you.
I
Yeah.
don't- yeah,
You just have to go on your account.
Just change it.
You go on your
Because
account.
I should
go to
check
account
It's
settings,
free
and
on
then
like Roblox.
personalization. It's
I
free here
still
too.
quit is not a good name.
A name change on Roblox is 100 Robux.
It's 1,000.
What?
Ew, why do you know the Roblox facts? He plays too much
Exactly.
Roblox.
You used to play too much
Who's
Roblox.
gonna spend over $10 to change your name?
Right?
I don't have
Me.
the money to
It's
on
literally
that.
FBF and me actually. It's a FBF GNGT 566Y right now. So
I
yes,
might.
I would.
I swear, it's a unicorn. That's like my name from 2017. I had like this
FBF GNGT
stupid like
566Y is
foam
like 5 years
unicorn
old
puppet
now.
from David Buster's.
Okay.
What?
Even Busters.
You're a buster.
Okay. That's a new one.
Am I close
Shut
to
up,
you guys
Brett.
at all?
No.
No, you're off the
You're
map.
further than
Wait,
you were
which way?
before last time I talked
On-
to you.
Which way do I need to face them? Which way do I need to face them?
I don't know.
Am I facing in the right direction of the cave?
I don't know. You're off the
Use
map.
your maps.
You're off the maps.
Yep.
Yes, keep going
Okay,
that
yeah,
way.
keep going that way.
Yes, keep going this direction.
You'll
Am I
reach a lake
facing
and
the
just
cave
keep
then?
walking across the coast.
You're a
I have 2
cornball.
viewers.
Wow. They are popular.
I have 2
Is
viewers.
anyone,
I'm
wait, is
actually
anyone on my
insane.
stream?
I'm not. I'm on my
There's a zombie
stream.
behind me. I'm actually gonna cry. There's a zombie behind me. I'm gonna
Boy,
die.
you're
I'm
I
gonna
need to
die.
not
watch to see
Minecraft
if it
zombie.
works.
I'm gonna die.
Someone watch my stream.
Oh god. Can we all go to sleep real quick?
Let's sleep.
What's not my headset?
I forgot Quips doesn't have a life.
Yeah.
We went midtown.
You lifeless little boy.
Sans, are you
Hold
in
on, I
bed?
need to make my bed real quick.
I just realized the reason why I don't stream is because I literally go in third person
get
every 2
banned.
seconds.
You would get banned. People like seeing that perspective sometimes. It's not that weird.
People like seeing the third person perspective every 2 seconds. Like, I change it abnormally often.
Doesn't
Like,
sound
I go in
healthy.
third person. Like, when I'm just
I forgot
sitting
Quinn
still
is the
sometimes.
unhealthiest man here.
Unbind it.
I'm
Just
famous.
unbind it.
Unbind the button so you don't keep doing it.
I don't want to.
Do it!
Blue?
Quinn's that's my kitchen cave.
Now.
No, my room to HR.
I couldn't understand anything you said, and I
My
don't
room is
want
looking a
to.
little nicer right now.
It'll feel so good.
I almost just tried to
Who
slay
planted the sapling on the door?
Slay a Minecraft, the miner's cave wolf.
Did you say miners? Miner lover! Miner!
I said mining cave.
If you say
wolf.
that once, someone's gonna get banned, and I can't tell who it is yet.
Me.
Oh, this is a miner
I'm
lover.
a good person. I
Not in
bleep
that
out
way.
the cuss
Okay,
words.
not in that way. In the way of he likes people who aren't gold mining. He's not that.
Am I facing the
person.
lake?
Hmm.
No,
are,
Sans, why
like,
did you
on your way
turn?
to
You
get me
turned the
banned.
wrong way.
I went to sleep. Okay, which way do I go?
Turn.
Which direction?
Left.
Which direction?
Left. Turn left. That's right. Yes. Keep walking. Turn a little more left. Yeah. Go that way.
Where the hell is my crafting table?
Is the
I heard
public
a
crafting
noise.
table? I think. I don't know. It's the noise of quits getting strangled by Leo.
What was that?
Please. End my life?
Are we just gonna ignore that Sans just went?
Yes. Please ignore that. Don't even bring it up. Don't.
I'm at a lake now.
Just walk along the coast.
Do
Now
I
you
need to
just
say
gotta get a
which
life.
direction?
Let's see. Just start walking along the coast.
Which direction, Luke?
Fine. I'll just come
Left
get
or
you
right?
if you don't know how to walk along
Left
the coast.
or right?
Right.
On the coast, obviously.
Just gonna go right, man.
I'm
Okay.
sitting here laughing my butt off.
Ew!
LMBO.
Stop. Don't even say ew. You don't even have a butt.
Exactly. LMBO.
LMBO.
He was just
Someone's
in a butt.
captured a wolf.
Sans, going the wrong coast way.
Someone's captured a wolf at these exact coordinates. X negative 377 Y
Gross.
64 Z 327.
I just peed myself.
Those exact coordinates. Someone's
I'm
captured
joking, I
a dog.
swear.
Hashtag weirdo.
Hashtag quit pooping.
Quit pooping, man. That's
Whoa,
pretty smelly
stone
of you.
bricks.
Keep pooping.
Viewers
Whoa.
you, Luke.
Oh.
No, I'm not. He has such a better house. His house is so good.
Yeah, but he has stone bricks.
My house looks hideous.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you live in a hobbit hole.
I love hobbit
Oh my
holes.
God. You just grief me. I'm gonna grief you.
Quits has a room? Wait,
You're
Quits
gonna get
doesn't have
griefed
a
on.
room, does he? Have you made one?
He does. He has
Oh,
a
he just made one.
mischievous door to like.
Well, same as mine. Yours is like a little thing.
I see a
There it
cave
is.
with torches in it.
Keep walking along the coast. I can't believe you haven't moved much far at all.
I don't think he moved at all.
He has.
I
he's a
did
puppy.
move.
Well, start moving more.
He's just walking in big circles because he's an idiot.
Fumble.
I'm lost. You literally haven't moved one step. You were back at the same exact place you were 4 minutes ago.
No. I'm at X740. 740. 474 Y66 2.
How come we haven't
Wait.
just given him our coordinates?
You have a map. How do you know your coordinates? Are you?
I don't know the base coordinates.
Okay, hold
Do
on.
you not see our things?
Do you not see our markers?
He made his
No,
map
I
somewhere
don't.
else.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just give me
Go
your
directly
coordinates.
south. Or to the right.
Just keep going that way.
Keep going straight.
Just
Okay,
give me
yeah,
the
do a
base
turn.
coordinates. Brewer, I'm not gonna run through the water. I'm not Jesus.
-278
Turn the boat.
Y65.
I don't have enough wood to craft them.
Get some wood. You have to hit one tree.
There is no
a
wood
singular
over
tree.
here.
I'm gonna make my classic floor design, you know, the sandstone cobblestone.
Jesus. The dye.
You use that one quite often.
And I will do it again.
Iron.
You're
What is this bedrock-looking cave?
What is this bedrock looking cave?
I turned on like extreme map generation, so that's why it's so mountainy.
I see a very suspicious cobblestone pillar.
Go to it. I don't know. Actually, no, don't go to it because that's not it.
Don't go to Sussy Pillars.
Just give me base coordinates.
I don't think anyone's that base for.
What's a base?
We don't have that
You
base.
came up with the idea of giving base coordinates. What are they?
We don't have the base. We have no base. I don't know what that is.
I'm drowning.
We live in a cave like hobbits.
What is
Okay,
the
Hobbit.
key coordinates? Hobbit.
I don't know. My map is all wrinkled because the water dripping onto it. I can't read
Is
it.
there water dripping onto it?
Dripping.
Do you not know what drip means?
Silly.
He says clouds.
I got the drip. I got the drip.
Alright,
Dude,
I'm
it's
following
go-
the
wait, go
shoreline
back.
and
I
I'm
literally
literally
just saw
back
you.
where I started, Luke.
How? Oh my god, yeah. Go the other way that you just came. You'll see me. You see me over here across the water?
I don't see anyone across the water. Oh, nice, yeah. I'm coming.
I want
how
to
do you
see how
not
close
recognize
Insanity
this place?
Sands was.
He was like 40 blocks away.
oh my
You're in-
god, he was literally
Brewer,
40 blocks.
you're actually in the distance from me. You look like an ant this far away.
I'm certain
No,
I saw your username,
you look like a
Sans.
player. You literally look like a player from my distance.
I was
Sorry, we
looking
would have the same
across-
view.
I was looking directly
You look like such an
across me
oldie.
and I saw sugar cane.
Cobblestone 67.
Level
That
star.
wasn't funny.
Alright, I finished
Please
my
do
room.
the joke.
My room has my classic floor design.
But if you say that that's what they all say.
I'm gonna get one viewer
You want him
less.
to?
If I say
He's
that's what
begging
they
him
all
to
say
say
in
it.
the way that I was, I'm gonna get one less viewer.
And so am I, just do it. Ow, ow.
Just got nerded.
Why is your
Nerded.
bed yellow?
Because I needed it.
Stop!
Hey, I'm just checking it out.
You're checking out my pee bed? That's
Kiss
not
my bed.
gross. That's really gross.
I peed in my bed.
Same.
Piss boy?
I swear I'm joking.
I did.
Guys, who wants to come mining in this epic cave I found? It's really big.
Who wants a clean bed that will just not put it? Ow. Who wants a clean bed they just won't put up with?
What was that? Hideous sound.
It is tasty. He thinks it's tasty.
Is there anyone here who wants to go mining?
No.
Yeah, I might soon. I'm just doing stuff.
Who wants a clean bed I will not put up with?
Dude, you play Peggle. No one cares.
Bro,
Luke
Pegler.
plays Peggle.
I played.
In a good way.
Played in past
No,
tense.
he still plays Peggle.
Me? No. Don't play often.
Yeah, you do.
He played Peggle in a good way.
I played
Not the way
Peggle
it's
like
complaining.
2 weeks ago.
Okay, Pegler.
I last played Peggle yesterday.
Stop, wait, my one viewer left.
Yeah, that's what you get for
Now
saying
you can
Pegler.
say that's what they all say, Quits.
They left after I,
Said Pegler.
No, they
After you
left after I
dissed
exposed you
Peggle.
for playing Peggle.
They left after you
Where is
dissed
Luke?
Peggle. They must be an
I'm
avid Peggle player.
Making the dock out of.
They
not-
must be the
That one
best
viewer
viewer
was
for
me.
Let's say that's what they all say right now.
What is this mischievous hole?
It was Santa's base, I just blocked him in.
How I like my homes. Does anyone want this clean bed that I will not put up with?
Went to bed.
I prefer my bed being peed in.
Let's go to the
Same.
I'll show you.
It's the one in your
Russia!
house.
One growl
Yeah, it's
for
really
a
good.
fresh bed.
I saw it in your
torches?
stream that you were like blowing up
And
creepers
do you
in
want to
there.
share bed?
I meant
trade.
Ooh.
Ooh,
It's
Wait,
like
you have
your
torches?
old bed for
this
a
is a
clean one.
yummy cave.
It's big too.
Right up
That's
mine.
suspicious.
Oh, what? It's a great passage.
I have two beds on top of each other. No! Oh, I was gonna suffocate.
I'd rather
should.
not die.
Just kidding.
Erections.
Very sophisticated yum yum growl sound.
I'm healing.
Yeah, we're not dead.
Yum yum, silly, silly,
Oh my
tummy,
god,
tummy,
there's a
tum, tum.
skeleton spawner.
Yum yum yum
What? Where?
You just not hear what I said? I was talking about a
Make a
spawner.
skeleton farm.
Here. I think it might be this way.
You guys know how I made those cool bunk beds?
Is it this
on,
way? I don't know,
the
man.
Anarchy server, one
I
of
don't know,
them.
but I need iron, so.
Hey, Santa, I have something to give you.
What?
Oh my god, I'm dead. I fell into another creeper!
Oh my god.
You're stuck there.
So you're not silly.
Oh my god, shut up.
I'll catch you one day, you
I'll watch
rascal.
after your stuff. It isn't
That's why
gone.
you have no shit. That's why you have no. That's why you have no
You're right.
followers.
Your
So you
stuff's
never
still
watch
there.
my stream. That's again.
That's why you can't curb stomp a Twitch legally.
Bro, your stuff's still here.
I'm coming.
That's why you can't curb stomp. Don't ask what just happened in front of my mic. That's why you can't curb stomp a Twitch legally.
Where is it?
Where
Where is
are
it?
you?
Why you can't curb stomp a Twitch legally.
Follow the torches.
Why you can't curb stomp a Twitch legally.
That was the most unlucky thing to ever happen to someone. Oh, from Lapis.
Nice.
A lot of XP. We need a
That
lot
would
of
be
iron
yours.
too.
I bet.
Actually, I have enough on their sticks.
Gold.
I blew all of my sticks on torches.
Whoa, okay, that's a big, big
I'm
lava
gonna
cave.
waste the rest of my
Lapis,
wooden
I found some
pipe
too.
frame. It looks cool.
Yeah, there was somewhere I blew up.
I found a
I
place
didn't
where
find
like lava is, so this is a good diamond place.
I'm gonna smelt all my cobblestone.
Diamonds!
Yeah.
Map.
You got the first diamonds of the server?
I guess. Oh my god. There's so much water, it's killing me.
There's so much, dude. This is like best diamond place on the planet.
You found some?
No, I'm just saying, like, place is just amazing for diamonds.
You guys better share.
No.
No, you're not getting any of our diamonds if we get any. Sorry, you don't
You could
deserve
have gone
any.
mining with us.
I'm not gonna be able to mine diamonds with a stone pickaxe, mind you.
Well, then maybe you should be getting iron and progressing. I don't know. Maybe you should be playing Minecraft.
Witz isn't. Yell at him.
Because he doesn't care if you get diamonds or not. You're the only one asking to share.
I mean, I'm just saying, shares can.
Really? I think I only got 2. That kind of sucks.
Do we have a public mine that I can use?
No.
No. Not that I know of. But I would know if there was, so no.
Coal is something we need to.
I would like some iron, because I want to make an anvil.
I know.
Yeah, I
need
did find a
iron,
coal
too.
there, and I'm mining it right now. Whoa. Right underneath lava. I like using torches. I don't know, you don't, but I think it's helpful.
Yeah,
They
it also
are
helps them
helpful.
from not spawning. I just forgot I had torches, to be honest.
You usually don't use them.
I don't, because I don't need them. I can kind of still see. Even on 50 gamma.
I feel bad if anyone's eyes are burning from my POV. I'm
I do wanna,
starting
like,
my own,
clip
I'm
all of
starting
your
my
videos
own
together,
mine,
though.
and literally, I just dug into a cave.
So don't be on 200 gamma. For 200 gamma, your gas aren't
100
getting included.
actually.
100 is also
Yeah,
bad.
75 is
75
good.
and
75 is the best.
I wanna
Anything
do...
above is not getting included.
We research about this.
I can live with 80.
No,
Yeah, I can live
75.
with
75.
75.
Can't
I
go
don't
above
think I can live
75. Or your screen gets brainy.
You're not gonna be in our
Yes,
video
stream.
then.
It's at 75. I can kind of live with 75.
Okay, well the stream won't be able to live with 75. I mean 80 or above. That's why we can't go above 80 or above.
Now, 46 minutes and 46 minutes and forward now. It's not gonna have your eyes burn out.
Just change
It's
it.
at 75. I changed it.
We should make a strip mine. I know it isn't that good, but I definitely enjoy strip mines. They usually work for me.
I have
I
enough
was making
for a
it.
full
I was
set.
making
Sorry,
sure mine
diamonds.
until a cave.
It's my last piece of food.
Oh, guys, I want to expose Lucas.
Yes, me too. We should head up.
He organizes his inventory the way he uses his tools most.
Hmm?
It looks
What's wrong
disgusting.
with that? Organizing
He
the
puts
way
it like
that it's
pickaxe, shovel, sword, axe, or something like that.
No, it's pickaxe, sword, shovel axe.
That's still not good.
You don't know anything. You're like 30. You have played Minecraft like twice.
I've been playing Minecraft since I was like 2 years old.
And you are too. Started this year.
Freaking come back. I don't know why that was so funny to me. It just was.
Now we have to
Oh
find a way
yeah,
out.
Creeper, you don't have the balls to kill me.
I think way out's not that hard.
It wasn't. Oh, I think I already found it, basically.
I think I dug into your guys' mine.
Don't go into it then. Don't find a mine by yourself.
Not your mine, your cave.
Some
that your mine- I think I dug into the cave that your guys' mine leads into.
It's your own cave.
No, we used to loot the
No.
iron I saw. Why not? It's kind of being
Because
selfish.
it's not public. We literally, this is our big mine. Why do you keep acting like it's free? I bet you just saw my staircase. It's like, okay, if I dig this direction, I'll accidentally run into it.
No. Well, I'm gonna make a wall. and everything on one side of the wall is mine, everything on the other is yours.
Not the cave. You're not gonna have wall
I'm
off the cave.
splitting
so
it in
you're gonna
half.
destroy your mine. No, you're not splitting anything in half.
Well, then
Sorry,
I'm
go
making
get your
a
own
wall
mine.
so you
Don't be
can't get
lazy.
to the other side of the cave anyway. Unless you break
Well,
it.
I'm gonna
down
come
there.
and kill you and destroy your house.
Why are
Sorry.
you gonna destroy my house when you can
I'm gonna
simply-
lava bucket it. Because we
Imagine.
literally told you this is not a cave for everyone, and you're like, okay, I'm just gonna wall it off now. That makes no sense.
Yeah, I'm walling it off on both sides.
Oh,
so I
yeah.
don't use
More
it.
diamonds.
You could wall off our thing. Oh my god.
Brewer,
Sorry,
for more
you
But
diamonds.
you guys
wall
can make
anything
a
off.
when you can make a door for yourselves. I don't care.
Alright, so
You're
now I
walling
have 4
off a
diamonds.
cave. I don't understand. You don't
Brewer.
understand what I'm
You
saying.
can break a hole in the wall. I'm making it so I don't go into there
Brewer.
accidentally.
I just found 2 more diamonds, so now we have 4.
Yes. Good. You can craft whatever you want with it.
I think, yeah, let's make a diamond pickaxe so we can go to the nether.
Ooh.
That'd be beautiful. I dug into another cave. Are you kidding me? Well, this cave is mine. They don't see torches.
The
in it.
toad.
No, that's the same cave, mister. Yep, that is the exact same cave. Now get out.
Why did you call him Mister?
Because he's like a little kid.
I'm under,
Fair.
actually.
Yeah.
Get your
You're
facts
literally
straight.
in our cave. Oh my god. Get out.
Under it.
You are not
He
under
did
our
accidentally
cave.
dig into your
You
cave.
You can just look. I can walk down this pathway, and I'm at the space. We literally look. Luke is at the same height as you. I don't think you understand. This is not your cave. Get out,
Just because it's
Thank
at the same height doesn't mean it's the same
dude.
cave.
It's the same cave. This is a large cave. Jesus Christ. He doesn't understand how caves work. They can be bigger
Ooh,
than
I
two
found
blocks.
you. I think I can get
No,
out
they
now.
can.
I can see
I
you,
know what a cave
Sans.
is.
Yeah, he's in our cave. I'm just gonna kill him.
He's perusing around. Scrambling
Well,
his
I just
foot.
took some.
I swear I
I
know what
took,
a
like,
cave
5
is.
I took like 10 blocks of iron. You guys have 4 diamonds. It's honestly not that bad.
Wow. We're gonna craft a whole set with that, right, guys?
It's a diamond, and I took an iron. There's a huge difference, bro.
Alright, Bird, you actually know where the exit is?
Yeah, we were just at it.
R
back to it.
slash street.
Oh, I see.
Quit is trashing my house.
Stop, I'm nowhere near your house.
I'm near Quits. I see his name tag.
Quit. You are actually in my house.
I'm nowhere near your house.
You are
Yeah, Quits is in his room.
Yeah.
I see him in there.
Why
on his-
your house?
I thought your bed was yellow, Quits.
Or did he?
My bed is
Why
not
your-
yellow again.
Ew, hold on. When did Sans move into our cave?
Oh yeah, do you like this
Forever
other little
ago.
room that I made? Luke?
Where?
This right here is my
I
base.
dug into it a couple times.
So, when did Sans move in? When did I say he
Oh,
did?
yeah.
This is my AFK furnace closet.
Good for you.
Do you like it?
I have a stack of
look,
iron to be get
To be fair, my name is in here, so it kind of would make sense if I lived in it. If my Twitch name's in here.
Big Coner.
That's just to advertise. Just to know, I want the people to know
I'm
who's actually in here.
Silkquads. Cringe Twitch
Yeah,
underscore
and
underscore.
since my name's in
Oh.
there, they're gonna be like, oh, where's Seth's house? Why does he not live in a cave?
Hey,
Because he's a stinky little rat
who the hell
that
did
no one
this?
trusts.
Cringe Twitch.
French Twitch.
Cringe Twitch is Sans.
Did someone just change my username to Cringe Twitch?
Yes. I made a second sign
It
that
sucks.
was literally just everyone's name, but horrible.
Very weird.
The top 2, in my opinion, were Cringe Twitch underscore underscore. And
Oh, so you made our name.
Lockjaws.
You made Big C name Cringe.
No. The cringe one was PGIC underscore underscore, which stands for Potato Gang Insanity Coolio.
We had
That's
a
what
potato gang on-
PGIC. That's what PGIC stands for.
I
Stop.
want to make a brand new acronym for it, but I don't feel like changing my Twitch name, so I'm gonna have to come up with a brand new meaning for it.
Poopy Gross Carton Incorporated.
Sorry.
Poopy Gross
Incorporated.
Incorporated Carton.
Curtain. I love
You
that.
like it?
Yes, I love it.
Honestly, I think that's worse than Potato King Insanity Coolio, though.
What's up, Insanity
But quit.
Coolers?
See, your username
Very
is
bad.
is it still quits?
It still quits.
Does anyone have quits? Can I please borrow one
not even
single
here.
stick? Someone? Can I borrow a singular stick?
I don't have a single stick.
Or can I borrow a single stick? I promise I'll pay you back.
Don't have any.
I don't have an axe. I literally don't have an axe.
There's trees outside.
Alright, we're at the 53-minute mark. We're pretty close to wrapping
I'm
up.
at
That's pretty sad, though.
54.
We could make this a hour and 30
We
minutes.
can, yeah, no, we can just go as long as you want.
Well, I mean, I would like it to make it not
Let's
8
try
hours.
it.
I mean, yeah, the longer it is, the harder it is going to be for Luke and
I
Brewer
could try to
edit.
trim it better. It'll take me a long time to edit.
We could just, when it hits an hour, just cut it off.
That'd be stupid. Just cut it off like that. I am back. Oh my god. I keep on waltzing into Quitz's AFK furnace closet.
Ow.
Are you just say ow or how?
Ow.
Because our house are pretty much. Because his AFK furnace closet is right next to my house.
No, it isn't.
Pretty much. It's like right above it.
Dude, you have to remember where it is. You're just
I'm
you're not
closer.
accidentally going in.
And
Yeah,
to be
no
fair, I
sense.
really
You
don't like
keep
that because
accidentally going in.
I'm gonna
Makes
let
no
you know
sense.
one day I'm gonna make my room bigger and it's gonna clip into yours. And I'm not gonna do anything about it.
It's like how me and Quit shared a farm and Blood or something.
Because, Sans, watch this. Hi, this is the way I'm gonna expand my room.
Not that way. That way.
I could show you. Watch this.
Yeah, well, could just push the lava back.
I can't do that either. That is the outside. That is
Potato
our
King
cave.
Insanity Coolio.
I couldn't go down either.
How about,
That is also outside.
Light
Why would
Skate
you expand
Insanity
up? Why
Radio.
not expanding up?
I can only go down, and I'm going to go that way. So, you better figure out a good way to move.
How about you go down this way? You could have a cool lava ceiling.
What? Expand this way.
Yes. If you go down,
I got a
expand that
stack
way.
of wood.
I can't go this way, I can't go this way, and I can't go that way or that way. I can
Okay,
go
you
this
go
way.
like
Luke, what
Can
are
you
your
go this way?
reasons for expansion?
I can't
Your
go that
house
way.
is pretty cozy.
Yeah, I don't need to expand because we live in like a hub area.
Look, you pretty much have everything in your house. Why would you need to expand?
we live in a bad lobby on a server. We do.
Alright, this is the second episode of this funny survival world. I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know when we're uploading. Daily schedule seems fine for now, but I will see you guys later.
Bye.